use is at the forefront of everything we do at Profoto. The all-new A10 is no different. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use it. First, on the front of the unit, you have a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. To remove the battery, press the tab at the top and slide off. To install the battery, place the bottom of the battery into the flash and click to secure. On one side of the unit, you have the USB port for firmware updates. On the other, you'll find the TTL manual switch. The TTL manual switch is only functional when the A10 is installed on your camera's hot shoe. When using the A10 off camera, the TTL manual functionality is controlled by a compatible transmitter. Located on the head of the flash are the dual LED modeling lamps. The modeling lamp's beam angle will adjust along with the beam angle of the flash. To adjust the beam angle of the flash, simply spin the ring on the outside of the flash head or set it in the menu. You'll see a graphical representation of the beam spread in the top left corner of the screen. Around the edge of the flash head is the lip for mounting the magnetic click light shapers. To power on the unit, simply hold the on-off button and spin the wheel to unlock. This ensures that you won't accidentally power on the unit on the way to a shoot. In the top left corner, you have the current air and zoom settings of the flash. On the other side, you'll find your battery status indicator. The numbers in the middle are your current flash power. 10 in the Profoto system is full power. If you turn the unit down to 9, that's half power, and so on through the range. You have the ability to dial your flash power in tenth of a stop increments for more precise control. When connected to the camera in TTL mode, you'll also have your flash exposure compensation to the left of the power level. On the bottom, you have your group controls for the air mode. In TTL mode, you'll be controlling the flash exposure compensation for each group. In manual mode, you'll make hard power changes to the flash. To select the group, just tap the corresponding button on the back. In manual mode, if you tap the button twice, you'll activate all groups together, giving you simultaneous control of all your flash heads. If you want to lock your A10 settings so you don't accidentally change them, you can press and hold the center button. A lock icon will appear on the back of the screen. To unlock it, simply press any button and spin the wheel. The on-off button is also the test button. Press this to fire off a test flash, or press and hold to power on and off the A10. The modeling lamp button gives you the ability to toggle on or off the modeling lamp of the A10. Simply tap the button to activate or deactivate the light. Holding down the modeling lamp button quickly enables and disables the flash head. Now, let's dive into the menu. Hit the center button to pull up the menu. Here, you'll find most of your controls on the Profoto A10. Just spin the wheel to the setting you want and press the center button to select. The first option is Air Group. This allows you to designate a group for controlling multiple flashes on the air system. Note that groups A, B, and C are TTL and manual, and groups D, E, and F are manual only. Now, we'll move to Air Channel. This lets you choose what channel your flashes will sync to. The A10 has access to 20 different channels on the Profoto Air system. The Air option allows you to change the air settings of your A10. You can set it to off, on, and on transmit only. Transmit only is a feature that disables the A10's ability to receive the air radio signal. Bluetooth gives the ability to enable or disable the Bluetooth radio inside the A10. To connect the A10 to the Profoto app, make sure to enable Bluetooth on the flash. Then, fire up the Profoto app and press connect. From here, register your product and you're ready to go. The head option gives you the ability to use the Profoto A10 as a flash or just as a remote. Simply punch into the setting and choose on or off. You can also quickly access this feature by holding down the modeling lamp button on the back of the flash. The sync menu allows you to control how the flash is synced with the camera. Depending on your camera, the sync menu displays different options. On the Canon and Nikon variants, you have first, second, and X-Sync. X-Sync allows you to fire your A10 on any camera's hot shoe in manual mode. The Fuji version has first, second, and high-speed sync. There is no sync menu displayed in the Sony A10. All sync settings are controlled from within the camera. The zoom setting allows you to choose how the zoom of the flash head will be set. In auto mode, the zoom will follow along with the focal length of the lens. You can use one of the preset options as well. Manual will allow you to control the zoom setting of the A10 with the zoom ring on the front of the flash. The continuous light setting allows you to control the output of the modeling lamp on the A10. You have the option of minimum, maximum, proportional, and flicker-free. Proportional means that the modeling lamp output is proportional to the flash output. Flicker-free allows you to set the continuous lamp to be used for video. AF Assist allows you to set the option for the autofocus assist light. You can set it to off, auto, or on. In auto mode, the beam will activate when you focus your camera. If your camera isn't compatible with the autofocus assist beam, the A10 will light up the modeling lamp instead. Next, you have the ready signal. This gives you an audible and/or visual cue to let you know that the A10 has recycled. Control sounds give tactile feedback to the dials and buttons of the Profoto A10. Warning sounds is a setting that allows the A10 to notify you if you fired the flash before it's fully recycled, or if the requested flash power is out of range while using TTL. Display brightness allows you to set the brightness on the back LCD of the A10. You have max, medium, and low to choose from. Standby gives you the ability to set the A10 to a predetermined time before the unit goes to sleep due to inactivity. You can choose between 2 minutes, 30 minutes, and never. Regulatory info displays important regulatory information for various markets. The About section lets you know the information of your flash, including current firmware and serial number. And that's how you use the Profoto A10.